What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Slide Through News. I'm your host, Will Pousant, and we have a great episode for you guys this week because it is the first official week of 2025. We have 8 events coming up this weekend, so make sure to at least hit one of them. Thank you to my supporters here on the screen, and also, if you're not putting in maximum effort, you're not trying hard enough. Make sure to go hit up GarageWolf.com, go get yourself a t-shirt. They're a big supporter of the channel, great friends of mine. And also 212 is another website that they have as well. So make sure to go hit up Garage Wolf or 212 to get some comfy t-shirts. And this is probably one of my favorite shirts right here. Maximum effort in anything that you do. Let's get right into today's episode. But before that, make sure to head over to Zeknova US on Instagram. Go buy some tires for the upcoming events for 2025. Use my discount code WillPousant. Get 25% off your total purchase, save some money on tires, and get some grip for your next drift event. Let's get right into it. First event up, we have Flavor Express doing their Slide Games event with Booty Hustlers at Willow Springs. So if you're out in California, go hit up Flavor Express. Rob knows how to throw a hell of an event. Great people, great tandems, great driving, great looking cars. What more could you ask for? So hit up Flavor Express this weekend at Willow Springs. Next event up, we have Caffeine and Octane at Lanier Raceway. That's going down January 10th. It's for their Friday night drift. They always host events on Friday nights. This is going to be one of the first ones of the season, so make sure to head out to this event if it's in your area. Next event up is January 11th at OSW. That's Orlando Speed World. Go hit their drift event up. It's going to be their class qualifier. They host great events. This is where Adam LZ came up in drifting, so it's a great skid pad that they usually do. They may be running the oval track as well, so make sure to go hit up this event if you're in Florida. January 11th is also Good Luck League. They're hosting their open practice event. They already sold out, but however, if you're not driving and you want to go spectate, make sure to go hit this event up. A lot of cool people out there, a lot of great driving, and great looking drift cars. Go hit one of these events up. January 11th, Good Luck League. Piedmont Drift is hosting their 14th annual Ramrod event. That's going to be January 11th as well. Like I said, there's a lot of events this weekend. January 11th, Piedmont Drift hosting their event. So if you're in their area, make sure to go hit that event up. There's plenty of events this weekend, so go hit one of them that's closest to you. They're all going to be a great time. Another event I want to talk about is January 11th. That's Desert Style 1 at Musselman Honda Circuit. So make sure to go hit this event up if you're on the West Coast. It's going to be a great time, great track. It looks like treadwear is great at these events, so you're not going to need a lot of tires, but bring some just in case so that way you never run out. This event is a private event. Make sure to go hit the website up just to see if there's any spots left. See who's hosting it. See if you could get in last minute. Spectators may be allowed. Make sure to go head over to Musselman Honda Circuit to go find out the details. This is what I have on the screen for you guys as of right now. Modded Culture and Icon Mechanical is back at it for sliders only. This is going down this weekend as well. Plenty of events to attend. Modded Culture throws a big event. They got the drift track, and they also have a truck show going on as well. So there's a little bit of everything at the Modded Culture events. Make sure to go hit up this sliders only event. Go check it out. A lot of great drifting. They know how to host good events, and it's going down this weekend. So make sure to hit this event up if it's in your area. Also, first event of the year, Clutch Kickers. It's going to be January 11th and 12th at Mid Pond. This is a practice event. So if you're attending Clutch Kickers and you need some practice on a new course layout for Clutch Kickers, the course has been there for a while, but this is the first year that Clutch Kickers is taking over for their comp series. So make sure to go hit up Mid Pond, go have a great time with the guys, and go get some practice laps in for the next competition that you're going to attend for Clutch Kickers. Don't miss this practice day. You're definitely going to need it since it's a new track that they're hosting on. They've been doing a hell of a job over there at Mid Pond, so make sure to go hit up Clutch Kickers to see how much the event is and see if there's any open spots available, and also to see if there's spectating allowed as well. most of the events that they throw, they do have spectators, so I'm sure you're going to be able to go out there and watch and hang out with your friends. This is such a great video to bring in the new year. We got Piotr, or however you say his name. Definitely a unique name, but this is how he brought in 2025. Let's go ahead and check this one out full screen. My boy Gabe and Tony are putting together most of the drift cars out here in Las Vegas as of right now, and also they're taking on new clients for regular mechanical work and upgrades to your car. If you need general maintenance done as well, like oil changes and new air filters and all that good stuff, AC recharge, or if you need to upgrade to your drift car, make sure to go hit these guys up. They've been in the game for 10 plus years, but they're finally taking on clients because they have the time now. So if you need work done to your car, this is the time to do it. Go hit up Gabe or Tony on Instagram. I'll link them both down below. Let's go ahead and check out this edit that they put together for Instagram. And keep in mind, they do general maintenance on all vehicles as well. So go hit them up, save some money, get some good work done by your two local Vegas guys, and also they helped build my motor, and it's still out there on the track today. I can vouch for their work. They do great work. They're honest, and they'll definitely get your car back out on the road. If it's your daily driver, track build, or whatever you have, go hit them up.
Yeah.
Alright guys, out at this last event, Miranda Motives got this crazy on-scene footage of a tornado about 2 miles down the road. It was pouring down rain at the track. Nobody knew that a tornado was this close by, but this is what it looked like at their last drift event. Pouring rain, and it's crazy how weather can just change in an instant. I'm glad no one got hurt. I'm glad the tornado didn't make it to the track, and I'm glad all my friends are still here today to keep drifting and having a good time. Let's go ahead and check this out. Let's listen to this crazy rainstorm that they had to drive in, and also Drift Mom Photos was out there in the rain getting great shots, I'm sure, and we'll see some of her photos in maybe the next upcoming episodes. Alright guys, let's check it out. Alright guys, remember that in-car drift footage of the RC cars? Well, this guy brought a drone on the RC track and got some great footage. This is stupid cinematic, getting these great shots on the RC track. Let's check this out full screen and enjoy RC drifting. If you want to get into drifting and you don't have money for a drift car, RC drifting is the next best thing. So go check it out, give them a follow, and also hit up your hobby store for a little RC drift car. Alright, this next clip is super sick. We got E30 Street Sweeper at AVS with daily 3060 and SDX Runner. Killing it as usual, passing the camera from car to car. I'll have all the filmers tagged down below and also the drivers as well, so you guys can follow and get some great drift content. These guys are always killing it, and this is footage that you're not going to see often. Somebody passing a camera to a passenger, then passing it again, and getting great footage in the dark. This truck that also drifts is in the back of the line, chasing these two BMWs down. So let's go ahead and check it out full screen, and let's watch some great drift content. Have you ever thought about getting into sim drifting? Well, if you want a great setup, go check out Sim Coaches. They're located in Las Vegas. Conrad is one of the homies. He works there building the sim rigs. And if you want to test one out before buying, they have a showroom. You could go check them out. These units are pricey. However, you're getting the best quality you could ask for in a sim rig. They got motion sims. They got stationary ones as well. Let's go ahead and check out all the footage provided by Sim Coaches. Go give them a follow on Instagram and go hit them up on YouTube as well and follow their page. Let's go ahead and check it out full screen. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this week's episode of Slide Through News. There's 8 events this weekend, so make sure to go hit one of them. Start your 2025 season off right, and go have a great time with your friends. Go check out the merch that I'm wearing here, Maximum Effort by Garage Wolf. Also, thank you to everyone that supports this channel. It's greatly appreciated, and let's bring in 2025 right. Thanks for sliding through to Slide Through News. I'm your host, Will Pousant, and we'll see you guys next week.